Aside from being constantly on my guard against letting friends find out about my being a teenage witch, it does have its advantages, like in getting ready for school. For instance... See what I mean?
Hey, Sabrina! Yoo-hoo! Sabrina!
Oh, that boy brings out the black magic in me.
I'll be right down, Harvey.
How do you like my buggy's new muffler?
Groovy, Harvey, groovy.
A muffler! Of course! That's what Harvey needs for his mouth!
Come on, Sabrina, let's split for school.
Uh-oh, Aunt Hilda is picking on Harvey again.
Gee, everything went black for a second.
We'd better go, Harvey, or we'll be late for class.
Huh? Oh, sure. Hey, Sabrina, why is it strange things always happen to me around your house?
Why, Harvey, I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, no. Not the hiccups. When a witch gets hiccups, her magic goes haywire.
Boy, we're gonna be late. Wish we had wings instead of wheels. Got the hiccups, eh, Sabrina? They'll pass. Feel that floating sensation? These new cushion tires sure hug the road. Gee whiz, we're here already.
Come on, Harvey, we'll be late for class. Phew, that was close. I've just got to get rid of these... Oh, hiccups. Oh, dear. Shoo, go away.
Here, Sabrina. I'll take care of things. One must speak with authority to animals. Get out of the halls at once. Do you hear me? Go home, get. There. You see, my dear? Gone. I've had many experiences over the years of clearing the halls of stray cats and dogs and elephants. Somebody call the nurse.
I've got it. I'll send for Cousin Ambrose. Maybe he has a cure for hiccups.
Ah, Tony, you make the best pizza in Roma.
I'm sorry, Cousin Ambrose.
Oh, poor Sabrina. Hiccups, eh?
Yes, you've just got to help me.
Certainly. I'll call one of my colleagues in the medical field.
Gee, Ambrose, are you sure hiccups are his specialty?
Nurse? Oh, doctor, this is even better. You see, doctor,
Umgawa.
Oh, Dr. Umgawa. There was this elephant back there, and...
Perhaps you're right, my dear. He's not the right doctor for the job.
And then Dr. Umgawa. Dr. Umgawa. Oh, nurse! Oh, nurse!
Ah, just a moment. Now I know how to make your hiccups disappear.
Oh, good. Oops. Dear, I've hiccuped Cousin Ambrose away.
Nurse! Dr. Umgawa. Dr. Umgawa.
Something very strange is going on around here.
Here you are, my dear. Hold your nose and drink this right down without stopping.
Thank you.
Oh, she's not Sabrina.
I didn't see that. I'd
better hurry along to class. I hope the hiccups go away.
The day you're a jet pilot.
Look at Reggie.
I'll be a monkey's uncle.
You look more like an ant. Oh, Salem, am I glad to see you. Dear. You're right. It's best to go home until this blows over.
Hey, Sabrina.
Hi.
Watch our new football play. We call it the submarine. Okay, Spencer? Signals. 1, 2, 3. Hup, hup.
Uh-oh.
Hey, something tells me we've been practicing too hard, Spence.
Home, Salem. Oh, dear.
Sorry, Sabrina, but none of our remedies seem to work.
Oh, Aunt Zelda, Aunt Hilda, this is terrible.
I'm beginning to find it very entertaining and colorful, too.
It's awful, I tell you. In fact, being a teenage witch is terrible.
Shh, knock it off. It might be overheard. It was overheard. It's Della.
Did I detect a note of rebellion here?
It's Sabrina. She has a dreadful case of hiccups.
Yes, and I can't go near any of my friends.
You're right. A witch with hiccups would soon be discovered.
What am I going to do?
Aha! You mean with all this help, no one has come up with a solution to a mere case of hiccups?
Oh, we're working on it.
You bet. Let's see now. Oh, there must be an old family cure for hiccups here somewhere.
Yes, I'm sure I'll be cured soon, Miss Della. I'm sorry I bothered you.
Oh, no trouble, dear. You apprentice witches are my prime interest. Let me know if there's any more difficulty. There can always be some changes made.
Oops! Boy, that was close. Oops!
She's off again.
Thank goodness this day is over.
You can say that again. It was a real mix-up.
Hey, Harvey, let's head for Pops and have a blowout.
Why not?
That did it. It cured the hiccups. I'm cured.
You mean shock cured your hiccups?
That's right. An ordinary mortal remedy.
Well, of course I could have whipped up a potion that would have cured the hiccups sooner or later.
Of course you would, Aunt Hilda.
One moment. I want to test this remedy of yours.
Thanks just the same, but I'm already cured, Cousin Ambrose.
Oh, darn. I wanted to see if it would work.
It worked all right, only vice versa.
Oh, dear.